Here's how to fix content not accessible error in Roblox. Now, if you're trying to play a game, but it says the content is not accessible or the maturity settings have prevented you from playing the game, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, if you open up the Roblox app or go to roblox.com, you can see I can tap on Murder Mystery here. And at the bottom right next to join, it has a lock icon. If I tap on it, it says content not accessible. To access this experience, first update your content maturity settings. You can either tap on go to settings here, or you can go directly to them by tapping on more at the very bottom right. Now we need to get to your settings, so scroll down until you find the settings or gear icon and tap on that. And then from here, you can see privacy and content restrictions. Just tap on that. Now, from here, you can see at the very top is content maturity. Tap on that. Depending on your settings and your age in the Roblox app, you can switch this from minimal to mild or moderate. And then you can even go all the way over to restricted. However, keep in mind to get to restricted, sometimes you do need to verify your age that it's 17 and plus. To do that, you can just exit out of here and tap on account info at the top. From here, all you need to do is scroll down until you get to age group. It should say 18 plus for there. If it doesn't, you can always hit verify my age and go through the process of uploading a photo ID or something like that to verify your age so that you're able to play every game on Roblox. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.